Hey Brandy, it's Rosemary, and I thought it would be really easy to show you how to do your form by just recording my voice and showing you what's on the screen since we can't be together. So the way that I wanted to show you some things on this form before I show you how to share it with someone. So I'm under my school account right now where I created this. And I just wanted to show you up here, this is settings, and if you click on it, you can change the way that things are, ordered. I don't think that you should necessarily have to use this. I've already kind of set everything up. And then right here, where it says add collaborators, I've added you as a collaborator, but what I can't do is make you an owner of this. But we're going to try to do something here in a second to make it to where you can own your own form through the cobb23 at Yahoo, because that Yahoo domain should give you Google Forms, access to Google Forms, but I can't give you ownership of this because Carroll County Schools is not allowing me to, basically. So anyway, what I did was I emailed this form to my dad, and what we're going to do is try something here. So here's my dad's Gmail account, and here is the link to the Google form. Here it is. And right up here, because I've made this form to where people can edit it and copy it, I'm going to click on this, and we're going to see about making a copy. Okay, it's going to allow me to do that. So I'm going to, I really want to be under my dad's account. Under this weird account, I'm going to, so imagine this is your account. We're going to make a copy. So where the three dots are, you need to make a copy, change it to what you want it to be. It's going to be under my dad's drive because I'm making it a copy there. But like I said, I want you to do this under that cobb23 Yahoo domain. Now it's going to pull up the quiz as a copy under my dad's account. Okay, and just hit restore on that when that pops up. Okay, so now if I go under settings, or not settings, cancel, under the three dots, and I go to add collaborators, Steve Wood should be the owner. So you should be the owner after you make a copy of this. You've got to change this too. This means that it's only it's private and that only you can see it, and that's not what you want. You need to change that to public on the web. I wouldn't do public on the web. I'd do anyone with this link. Do that one. Save it. And if you wanted someone else to be a collaborator, like someone else to see the form, like behind the scenes of the form, that's where you're going to add someone else here. Okay. And then you're going to get out of this. Let's see. I don't know why I can't scroll down anymore. Give me just a second. I'll just make myself a collaborator again, just so I can be done here. Okay. So, okay, once you have made a copy and you have set it as your own, and you went over here and you made sure that you made it to anyone available with the link, then you need to come here to responses and you need to click on this. If you want an email notification for new responses, you should select this. And then right here is where it's going to create that spreadsheet for you. You want it to create a new spreadsheet, so then you're going to hit create. And it's going to pull up the spreadsheet of responses. So you might want to change some stuff over here. Like I like bold, big font at the top to distinguish what comes in, and maybe make all that, a smaller font, so it should be. Yep. You can change the font to be cute. So now that you've set up your form and your response sheet, now it's time to learn how to send it to somebody. So let's say you are ready to send out your form. So you're going to go here and you can email it to somebody. Say you wanted to email it to Chad. We'll do big. We'll send it to myself. Rosemary.woods2. There we are. You can put in a message. You don't have to use this. You could say, fill out this form now. You don't have to send an email. You could send a link. So you can click on the link and copy it. This is really long and ugly, so you could hit shorten the URL and you could make it short. Control C is copy. Control V is paste, just in case you wanted to know that. And then you could take this, X out of it, and you could insert it in another email, like that. Or you could put it on your Facebook. Like, let me get a different, I've got so much school stuff going on. Let's see, you could put it on Facebook, like in a little message. You could send the little person a new message that needs the link. To Brandi. And you could put the little link in there. And then you could say, follow the link to fill out the form for your order. I'm going to send it to you, even though you don't know I'm doing this. So you've got options to send it to people. And remember, that's through this little this little send link right here. Here's the one under my dad. That's what I was looking for. If you want to, You can change the color schema. You could change the picture up here, and you just need to go here. If you want to change the top of this, you could go to uploaded, image uploaded. You could upload your own if you wanted to. Upload photos from your computer. You'd have to save it to your computer. Maybe you've got one in your computer that you want to use already. You go to your albums. Or you're like me and don't have a bunch of pictures on your computer and you want something that they've got going on. I found that the flags underneath illustrations, they have a lot of cute ones. You could change it with the holidays. They've just got all kinds of really cute backgrounds. You know, you could tailor it to your own theme. Some of them move in the background, which is kind of cool. And then once you pick the illustration in the background that you want, if you wanted to change that, like, I like this one, it's summary. So select, it's going to change it at the top. Then you can select which theme color you want, kind of like that, and then you could change the background over here. I like darker backgrounds. You can change the font right here. And then just hit the X. Your responses to your questions, when you send this off and somebody responds, you click over here. Remember, this is your spreadsheet. It'll pull up a new link and it should fill this in automatically. I'm trying to think of anything else that I could tell you to make this easy for you. But I think you've got this. And if you need me, let me know. And Google is so much fun, and I love it. And I can pretty much help you with all kinds of things on here. I've schooled myself on it enough to become a Google nerd. So enjoy your new Google form, and I'll talk to you later.